10 Tips for Effective Online Learning. Welcome back to Learn with YouTube. Today we're diving into 10 essential tips to make your online learning journey effective and enjoyable. Be sure to participate in our interactive poll at the end and our mid-video quiz. Tip number 1. Create a dedicated study space. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can focus. This helps train your brain to switch into study mode whenever you're there. Tip 2. Set a schedule. Consistency is key. Plan your study time just like you would for in-person classes. Stick to it, and you'll build a productive routine. Time for a quick poll. What time of day do you find it easiest to study? Morning, afternoon, or evening? Vote now in the poll. Tip 3. Stay organized. Use tools like planners or apps to keep track of assignments and deadlines. A little organization goes a long way. Tip 4. Take breaks. Your brain needs rest to absorb information. Follow the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Tip 5. Engage actively. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and connect with your classmates and teachers. Active learning keeps you involved and motivated. Tip 6. Limit distractions. Turn off notifications and create a focused environment. Apps like Forest can help you stay on track. Quick mini quiz. Which app helps you stay focused by growing a virtual tree? Comment your answer below. Tip 7. Use resources wisely. Take advantage of online tools, libraries, and study groups. There's a wealth of information at your fingertips. Tip 8. Stay healthy. Eat well, exercise, and get enough sleep. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Tip 9. Practice self-discipline. Online learning requires self-motivation. Set goals and reward yourself for achieving them. Tip 10. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to your teachers or peers if you're struggling. Collaboration can make a big difference. Now it's your turn. Which tip did you find most useful? Vote in our poll and share your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.